Welcome students, here we are discussing a very simple question from the chapter sets. This question is based on equality of two sets. We know that two sets are equal if both the sets are having same elements, same number of elements as well as same elements, same members, then only two sets are said to be equal sets. Okay, so here some of the sets are given and we have to see that from the sets given below select equal sets. So which are the equal sets out of these given sets? So we have to check one by one. You see set A is having elements 2, 4, 8, 12. In any other set there are not exactly similar to 4, 8, 12 these four elements. So A is not equal to any set here. Set B is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you see which set is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4. This set D is having these elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, these are in different order in compared to set B, but in any set, arrangement of members is not different if order is different. So order does not matter in any set. Order of element, order of members does not matter in any set, but elements should be common, elements should be same. So in these two sets B and D, you see same number, same elements, same members are here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we can write set B is equal to set D. So this is our answer. Now we see set C 4, 8, 12, 14. There is no any other set here which are having all these four elements. So C set is not equal to any other set. D already we have considered, B is equal to D. Set E is having elements minus 1 and 1. You see all the sets. Where are the elements minus 1 and 1? You see here minus 1 and 1. So these two sets are equal. So set E is equal to G. This is another answer. And F is having elements 0 and A. In no set elements are 0 and A both. Here 0 is only, but A is not here. In place of A 1. So here F is not equal to H. Of course these two sets F and H are equivalent sets. All these four sets are equivalent sets. In equivalent sets there are same number of elements, but we have been asked here to check equal sets. So only these two answers we are getting here. Set B is equal to set D and set E is equal to set G. Hope you have understood it very well. Question is very interesting, very simple. We'll see some more questions in other videos too. Thank you very much.